because of the hook that is present there, so it's easier to start your measurements with from the very beginning. So I had to hook it on the beginning of the plank. So after taking the first length that was okay for me, I had to hold it my firmly with my leg so that that position will not go off from the measurement. So I had to drag the tape up to release it for more distance, then take it down to where the distance can be able to take, then hold the next distance, start holding it, then release the previous one. So that was how I was able to do it throughout before I was able to get to the final length. So that's what I'm doing now. Just a matter of dragging at the distance from the tape, then hold the distance as measured with by stepping on the measuring tape, so that the measurements will not, so that I'll be able to know the last place I measured, then continue like that before I was able to get to the end. I continued taking my measurements till I got to the end. I have already gotten to the end of the plank, and the measurement I got there is 18 feet. That's the length of each plank here in Nigeria is 18 feet. So we're already done with the measurements. The another thing I have to explain is the sizes of planks. Most of the time when they do the cutting of most of the planks, they are not always they don't always have equal